Driving the coach today is Robert Henderson. He has over 30 years of experience. Robert is an expert at the wheel. Please do not attempt what you are about to see. Now let's see that in slow motion. The stock Ford F53 leans dangerously at a 21-degree angle while driving at 50 miles an hour. This is not a safe condition to find yourself in, especially if you had to make a sudden lane change. Notice the slow recovery and sway. Here the coach leans at 19 degrees when at 30 miles per hour. Erratic driving of a motorhome tends to be noticeable by other drivers. Fortunately, we had the full support of local law enforcement. Next, we head back to the shop to install parts. Let's install some parts. Radius rods, front heat-treated sway bar, rear track bar, dual rear sway bars, quad shock kit, and a safety plus. Now it's time to put this fully equipped Ford F53 through the same drive test. Notice how the coach snaps back. Wow! Let's see that again in slow motion. A real and measurable difference. From 21 degrees to 10 degrees at the same 50 miles per hour, and a whopping 52% less body roll. There's not very much body lean when cornering anymore. This makes driving back roads or navigating city traffic much more enjoyable. What a real difference.